How to install LiveChat on Landingi. Increase conversion rates by accessing your Landingi page visitors in real time. With LiveChat, you are given all of the tools you need to increase website conversion rates in real time without split testing. 1. First, log into your Landingi account and select the landing page you want to edit. 2. Navigate to the JavaScripts tab and click Add Script. 3. Copy your LiveChat tracking code into the JavaScript editor and enter a name for the newly added code. Get your LiveChat snippet from Settings Installation My Website section of your LiveChat. 4. To finalize, click on the Save button, available at the bottom of the editor.
New visitor.